Habit 6. Weekly financial education. This habit might seem small, but it's the one that ties everything together. You dedicate just 30 to 60 minutes a week to learning something new about money, income strategies, investing basics, taxes, psychology of spending. Nothing overwhelming, just steady progress. Mark, a retail manager with zero investment knowledge, read 10 pages of a financial book each night. 6 months later, he opened his first investment account, built a diversified portfolio, avoided common beginner mistakes that would have cost him thousands. He didn't become an expert, he became informed, and that made all the difference. Knowledge compounds just like money. A little every week turns into life-changing insight over time. This was the final, 6th habit. If you haven't seen the previous 5 habits, check them out on our channel. They're full of practical tips to boost your finances and grow your income. These 6 habits aren't flashy. They won't make you rich overnight. And they're not meant to. They're meant to create a financial foundation so strong that your future becomes predictable, not chaotic. Remember, financial transformation is a journey, not a moment. Start slow, build steadily, stay consistent. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. It supports the channel more than you know. Share it with someone who needs it. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into financial wisdom.